Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware so connections are stable and responsive. First, charge the Gamepad Pro to around 80% to preserve battery health. This helps calibration stay consistent. Next, install the official drivers or companion app on your device, because software ensures correct button mapping and firmware updates. Once done, choose Bluetooth or wired USB mode and press the sync button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing. Make sure your console or PC is discoverable. Pairing completes faster when you limit other wireless signals. You now customize controls to match your playstyle, because comfort and precision matter. Open the companion app and create or edit a profile, remap buttons and assign macros, then save the profile to the pad or cloud so you can switch devices. After that, calibrate sticks and triggers using the app's dead zone and range tests. This reduces drift and improves aim. Finally, tweak vibration intensity, stick sensitivity, and trigger stops per game. These adjustments cut reaction time and make inputs more consistent during long sessions. You finish by validating performance and preparing for troubleshooting. First, test inputs in a practice match or calibration tool. If aim feels off, adjust dead zone in 0.05 increments and retest until satisfactory. Make sure firmware is up to date, because updates often fix latency and button mapping. If problems persist, switch to wired mode, try another USB port or cable. And last resort, perform a factory reset. This clears profile corruption. One key tip: if lag continues,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.